In the previous video, we saw strategies to build a strong classroom culture by focusing on the 5 key aspects.
Come, let's explore some techniques to create a positive environment in your classroom.
Ticket reward system.
The ticket reward system for behavior modification is one of the best ways of rewarding students for positive behavior.
All you need is one thing, that is tickets. A ticket could be a piece of paper cut up or anything else you might have that your students can write their name on.
Here's how it works.
Whenever a student is showing good behavior, such as working quietly on the task, paying attention to what teacher is teaching, etc., give a ticket to the student. The student can write his or her name on the ticket and submit it to the collection box. The students are encouraged to get more and more tickets. At the end of the class, randomly fetch a ticket from the box, and the student whose name is written on the ticket will earn the reward.
But before deciding the rules for earning a ticket, discuss with the class what is required from their end.
5 seconds solution. Teachers start teaching when they enter the class while students are still settling or talking. This may lead to students missing out on important aspects of their lesson.
So what to do? Ask for their attention.
After calling for everyone's attention, if you force yourself to wait a few extra seconds, say about 5 seconds, until that time when you really could hear a pin drop silence, you'll only have to say things once.
Nice and calm and clear. Everyone will hear you now. Students would follow instructions better, classroom management problem would disappear, and you would enjoy a greater sense of calm and well-being.
Whole class management.
The most effective way to encourage a positive atmosphere in the classroom is to teach students the importance of kindness. Fill in the jar is an effective way to manage the whole class.
Here, the students put a pom-pom in the jar whenever they do a good deed. For example, if they help someone academically in solving a maths problem or reading a difficult word. Here, Vihana corrected Minaj when he read the sentence incorrectly and hence earned a pom-pom for the class. This technique not only creates a positive atmosphere in the class but also keeps away all the fighting and arguments among students. Tell me something good. In order to promote a positive, caring atmosphere in the classroom, devote a portion of the class time for Tell Me Something Good.
This exercise takes just a couple of minutes from class period but has a long-lasting effect and sets an optimistic tone for working together.
During this time, students can share any positive aspects of their life from school, friends, or family.
Taking time for the class to get to know each other promotes a positive environment, builds confidence, and creates a sense of community within the class.
Each day or each Monday, you can begin with Tell Me Something Good. Call on few students to share something positive from their life. Once the students have shared, the class will clap to honor the students that shared.
Explain to students that most positive aspects of life can't be bought and encourage sharing positive aspects of family or school life. Most teachers try to help guide students in making better behavior decisions. These techniques will surely help you in fulfilling your goal as well as create an overall strong classroom culture. If you find these techniques helpful, please like and share our videos. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more such videos. Happy teaching!